Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Sub-Zero water filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the pristine quality and taste of your drinking water, ensuring that every glass you pour is free from impurities and contaminants that can affect your health and the overall flavor profile of your beverages, making it a crucial investment for any household prioritizing clean and refreshing hydration. Number 5. GLACIER Fresh Water Filter Replacement for Sub-Zero. Introducing the GLACIER Fresh Replacement Filter for your Sub-Zero refrigerator. It's designed to deliver superior filtration for cleaner, better-tasting water. Tested and verified to NSF 42 standards, this filter effectively removes 97.9% of chlorine. You'll notice an immediate improvement in the smell and taste of your water. While it removes impurities like chlorine, it's designed to maintain the essential micronutrients in your water, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. This replacement is compatible with a wide range of Sub-Zero refrigerator models, including the 4204490, 4290510, and 9030868 series. Please check the full list for your specific model. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement process with its convenient twist lock design. It ensures a leak-proof fit and requires no tools for installation. For the best results, we recommend replacing the filter every 6 months or 200 gallons. This ensures you consistently enjoy high-quality water and ice. What we like. This filter is tested and verified to remove 97.9% of chlorine, significantly improving water smell and taste. Its twist-lock design ensures a leak-proof, tool-free installation. If you're looking for a reliable filter that prioritizes taste and ease of use, this is a great option. What people say. This GLACIER Fresh Water Filter is an exact replacement for $21. The installation took about 1 minute and has been problem-free. Replacement filter corrected issue and the 2-pack is a great option compared to the Sub-Zero single. Fitment is perfect and there are no leaks. It comes with nice date stickers so you know when you installed it and when you should replace it. Number 4. GLACIER Fresh Water Filter Replacement for Sub-Zero. Introducing the GLACIER Fresh Water Filter Replacement, designed to fit your Sub-Zero refrigerator. Ensure you have clean, fresh water with every use. This filter is tested and verified to NSF 42 standards. It effectively removes 97.9% of chlorine, significantly improving the smell and taste of your water. Enjoy water that not only smells better but tastes better too. Our advanced filtration removes impurities while maintaining essential micronutrients. This replacement is compatible with a wide range of Sub-Zero refrigerator models, including the 4204490, 4290510, and 9030868 series. Installation is a breeze with its convenient twist lock design. You can easily replace your old filter without the need for any tools, ensuring a leak-proof fit. For the best results, we recommend replacing the filter every 6 months or 200 gallons. This ensures you consistently enjoy high-quality water and ice. What we like. Get more for your money with this 3-pack, offering the same NSF 42 tested performance to reduce chlorine and enhance water taste. It also features a convenient twist lock design for easy replacement. If you want to stock up and ensure consistently great tasting water without frequent purchases, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. This GLACIER Fresh Water Filter is an exact replacement for $21. The installation took about 1 minute and has been problem-free. Replacement filter corrected issue and the 2-pack is a great option compared to the Sub-Zero single. Fitment is perfect and there are no leaks. It comes with nice date stickers so you know when you installed it and when you should replace it. Number 3. Sub-Zero 4204490 Refrigerator Water Filter. Ensure your refrigerator's water is always pure and refreshing. This filter is designed to deliver exceptional clarity and taste to your drinking water. With a capacity of 750 gallons, this filter provides long-lasting performance. You can enjoy clean water for an extended period before needing a replacement. Experience a convenient flow rate of 0.78 gallons per minute. It ensures you get water quickly and efficiently whenever you need it. Engineered to perform reliably within a broad temperature range, from 40 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It also operates effectively under various pressure conditions. This filter is compatible with a range of models, including Classic, Designer, and Pro series. It's a versatile choice for many sub-zero refrigerators. What we like. This filter boasts an impressive capacity of 750 gallons, meaning fewer replacements and long-term cost savings. It's designed for specific classic, designer, and pro sub-zero models. If you have one of these compatible models and prefer a filter that lasts longer between changes, this is the one to consider. What people say. Instantly improves taste and clarity of water and ice. Easy to install, works perfectly, and keeps everything fresh. This filter fits perfectly without any problems. Installation was quick and straightforward. It fit perfectly into my sub-zero refrigerator without any leaks or issues. The instructions were clear, and it snapped into place easily. After replacing the old filter, I immediately noticed an improvement in the taste and clarity of the water and ice. The water tastes fresh and clean, with no chlorine aftertaste. Ice cubes are also clearer and don't carry any odd odor. Number 2. Sub-Zero 70238112 Refrigerator Water Filter. Ensure the best for your appliance with this authentic replacement water filter. It's designed to perfectly fit your sub-zero refrigerator. This filter is specifically made for sub-zero built-in units manufactured between 2008 and 2010. Installation is simple, just push to remove the old one. Experience cleaner, better tasting water. This filter effectively removes unpleasant tastes, odors, and chlorine. Replacing your water filter is a breeze. Simply push the old filter to release it and insert the new one. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with purified water. It significantly improves the quality of your drinking water and ice. What we like. This is an authentic sub-zero replacement cartridge specifically designed for built-in units made between 2008 to 2010. It effectively eliminates taste, odor, and chlorine. If you own an older sub-zero model from this period and want the genuine part for optimal performance, this filter is your best choice. What people say. Suddenly water is coming out much faster. Can confirm that this model can be used as a replacement for a 7023811 filter for our sub-zero made in 2008. You just push the old one to disconnect it and pull it out, then push the new one in. This is genuine sub-zero cartridge. Number 1. GLACIER Fresh 4204490 Water and 7007067 Air Filter Combo. Discover the GLACIER Fresh Combo Pack, designed to provide you with both clean water and fresh air. This pack includes a replacement for your water filter and an air purification cartridge. Experience superior water purification with our advanced filter. It features an extra-grade coconut shell carbon block with a 0.5 mm micro-hole size for enhanced filtration. Keep your environment smelling fresh with our air purification cartridge. For optimal performance and to minimize odors, we recommend changing this filter every 6 months. This combo pack is designed for a perfect fit with various sub-zero refrigerator models. It's compatible with water filter part numbers 4204490 and 4290510, as well as air filter part numbers 7042798 and 7007067. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement process. The water filter features a convenient twist lock design for a quick, leak-proof, and tool-free installation. Choose GLACIER Fresh for reliable replacement parts that ensure the purity of your water and the freshness of your air. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. What we like. This combo pack offers both water filtration and air purification, helping to minimize odors in your refrigerator. The water filter uses an advanced coconut shell carbon block, and the air filter should be changed every 6 months for freshness. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution to keep both your water and fridge air fresh, this pack is a convenient option. What people say. Easily installed replacement. Seems to work great. Easy to install and functions just like the original brand name filter. Both filters were easy to replace and seem to be working fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.